van noi muntin le gamtina cheng ku ki chate zo se nila alam thuso asi somleng chenala ngai khom ki dingin kahin lim chi ove tun tuni adinga ki gong thuso anasim khom taw hite thuso thumakai President Trump chun Iran mipi lung oilo ho ki phinna bol hon thina a hin to ule American ki kumding a hi ati We are locked and loaded and ready to go, Trump said. President Trump via Truth social media, if Iran assaults and violently kills peaceful protester, which is their custom, the United States of America will come to their rescue. We are locked and loaded and ready to go. Hiji ki phinna boina hi kum 2022 nung lama Iran kam sunga dinga ki phinna sang penchu a hitai. WW Kukizo War Media. US Special Force on Venezuela Kopi Caracas sunga aleng ludovin attack abon nun Venezuela President Pale Azino Zong amantup chetawe Venezuela kiti hi South America gam sunga country khat hi US President Donald Trump kiti pa hi minasa milungkho koimacha kichat neilo mihim khat hi boltang nge ati khat chu abal cha da beijing hi American in Venezuela President Lomang Zanla Khuwa Kon Zinka Lampong ni Jun US Special Force on Venezuela President Nicolas Maduro le Azino chu ina ke patnin agaman doon apomang tawin hi US Army Delta Force on apomang zoova President Trump in Truth Social ahin phondo masat pen hi US in narco terrorism zia amat dan in akisayin chule Venezuela President Puhi US gama achung thu kitanding injong akisayin ahi US in country khata head of the government khat hitia apui mangjing wang hi walzep ta loading ham by nampi journal tolbol nisim thum kumsang ni le somni legu Office of the Committee on Tribal Unity, Kotu, Cedar Hills, Kangpopi District Administrative Office, Kangui 795129. Motto, Be Strong and Courage. Hobung mipi tawhom na dinga team na. Cedar Hills, Kangpopi District sunga Kugizo, Hobung mipi tezo sin. Zanhini ko dead for January 2025 Sunday ni Khojun Anoiza nampi khonunga dinga tauna point hung kita alang zo si in hobung mipi te zo si ama hobung cha tauna ananei so ke na divin kotu in tim na ananei jin hi akhat na nampi political demand lo hlin theina ding anin a popular government hlepna a kona ikivendo theina diu athum na a gamginga namsipai hole volunteers hodinga tauna alin a kugi zo namsunga kilungkhat nan vai ahom theina ding anga na nampi lamkai CSO zo si hangsan ta le kita ta chule kilungkhat ta vai ahom theina dingo agup na gamle namdinga hinho molim insungmi hodinga taupi na Committee on Tribal Unity Kotu mipi henga hetsa kipa umta khachu ahile advocate Viswajit Singhchun KNO le UPF hi tua kipatna kukizo political group KZPGT ki helding ahitai ti media house ho koma sei phatna le to sotna thu tampi anase in hi ahin la thado human rights advocacy THRA ti mi thumham kiloi khom ho chun banui he dingin ahin dodal kidovin India President koma zong dodal na lekha apivin chule central leaders ho zo se koma zong dodal na memorandum apivin ahi hijihi mehle ho to kithoa abol ahi hijihi epan pipaw advocate Viswajit Singh injong nomo asan pamo asakhe zengi ti thu akizai chule KNO le UPF ho zong asumin set ahitai koilo bu hamti a kholna akinejin ahile Michael lamzathang le anungzui phabem ho na to ahi head do ahitai thado in pimina Kibolzo sezong lamzathang kipeina ahi thado in pi ata be honjong action alangam kit pove ke hona to ahi poiti a so thengna ahin bol jiu tailo bol theidang anei pove thado in pi mina do na le demna to so hin bol kit ding chu agel le ji the asa jep lo ji a sim to organization thado human rights advocacy kiti mina kukite political talks ahin do dal kit hitai hitabong mi phalo milepchi sumdu mehlei to pangkhom Michael lamzathang kitipa hi capital punishment pe the hita kugi chate rope map zo se daltan dingun se na mehlei ho to hungki tho khomjing ahita aje chun akhonung thaimang the ahitai zokham hopo capital punishment ipi sangova hitabong mi phalo azat anam zo do le taitom Michael lamzathang kitipa ho hi holsin dam noija choldo sa phachu ahitai NSCN-K Burma langa hi emi atam hle akitin hin koima to kidolo ding ativin kiwai pothim loi khat ninjong akisejin hi hizong le malchan hoiza atha ahlaw hla ading ham mu thip mana akichai thei a tapoi ni khat le wang ipi ham khat hung ki jamai thei ding ahitai tom kuki Article 355 le 356 noija IDPs ho demand khat alolhin dingin aumtaije. President rule with suspended animation to full emergency rules zo hiding in aumtaije akhat na. Under 355 le 356 noija President rule extension anina Infal areas kuki IDPs ho hi hills area a resettlement rehabilitation building atum na RFCT LARRX 2013 noija Infal areas le Valley District hoa nelego mangzo se current market price a compensated building alin a under 239A 244 371C noija hills area constitutional safeguard building SA alolhin na dinga President rule ngai hi President rule sang a demand alolhin sa ate ngai hi by Cookie today. Ministry of Northeastern Region Noija Super Specialty and Assure Specialty Health in Remote and Hill District Infrastructure and Equipment Scheme Kangpopi District Charachampur Lamka District Tengnopal District Chanvo Aina Pilo Zeovin NCST henga complaint fill anikibol khumze in National Commission for Scheduled Tribes Delhi in Ministry of Donor henga sumon notice anapithawin hi ibang phatole kangpopi Charachampul amka Tengnopal District hon hospital hoi ta ta le mancha hoi ta ta ihin nei do wa mai thei o hitai by Paumin Len haukip thuso hitan chun akichai tai thuso abana anangai khom kidingin kahin lem che we thuso hin ngai zo si the boncha win stay safe and stay blessed.